Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making these phone charms. They're really straightforward, easy to make. This is just an idea, so let's get started. First off, here are the materials that you're going to be needing. This is very straightforward. You need scissors, a lighter, your choice of beads, and especially the wax cord, a 0.5 millimeter wax cord. When you have all of this, we could get started. First, we're going to cut 18 inches of our string. You might need less or more. It depends how long you want your charm to be. Now this is optional, but it's something that I always like to do. I like to put a clamp on the end of the string so that the beads don't fall off. Again, this is optional, but it's a good trick to do so you don't lose your beads while you're beading. Now we can start putting in our beads. I'm going to be using these pearl beads, and I'll be spelling out peace, love, and joy. Alright, so now with our lighter in hand, this is how I like to tie the end. First, we're going to make a knot at the end of the string, just like this. A double knot to secure it. Now with the lighter, we're going to burn the ends so that the knot won't come off. Now what I'm going to try to do is hide that knot because I don't want it to show, so I'm going to push it over towards the beads and make a knot, make a big knot grabbing that little knot, if that makes sense. I'll show you. So basically the big knot covered the first knot that we made. You can't tell there was another one before this one, just one knot. So here it is, very easy, straightforward project to make. Cute charm for your phone. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video making these cute, fun charms for your phone. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!